Through this video, let us meet the empowered women of Oasis India's 3 project villages who are leveraging opportunities through collective action and entrepreneurship to improve their lives and livelihood. The SHGs in Taising are making ghost pepper pickle with all necessary ingredients supplied by the organization. Oasis India is empowering the women in our 3 project villages through 9 self-help groups by providing training in income-generating activities like mushroom farming, soap and detergent making, pickle making, and training in other areas like organic farming, livestock rearing, and essential skills like accounting and management. Along with the training, Oasis India provides the SHG groups with materials and ingredients required for their chosen income-generating activity to help them get started. The SHG groups in Tuinom are busy making meat pickle today. The profits from the sale of these products will be directed towards the SHG group's savings, empowering them to become financially independent. Through your support, these SHG groups are not only gaining valuable skills and income opportunities, but also building confidence and self-reliance. The success of these SHG groups is a shining example of the transformative power of community-led initiatives, and we are proud to be part of their journey towards empowerment and prosperity.
Kay kami nay le lam nay ba ka fomen song pi ka group men sa hai
Kay kamin hila lung pi tong ka khomin song pi ka group men chul lo
I see income generation activity in a policy on it in a policy that
thang pi a he sar na sawan ho ka sim jo bang la ke ho group a hoi thai na ding hai ke hon ka thanup na pen pen no na IMO ho elo la ke hon group sunga ka ngai cha pen pen ho te de ta ka sim jo
ke ho sa hai group te chon airport ka zo ba ai mo ka siam ba sar jong ka siam ba na saving hoi mama ho to tha jong ka ko no
I see I think I training in a policy
osis langa kun hai training ding in pui pi pha no le na am hon i bol pi to sawan jo sar jong bala muchi tu dan ho na hal thie di dan ho alo cho akian hi le azang hi le thon training I ha bol pi cho
income generation activity ho hai na iti minimal handang ko
mi balayang he phachom ko mo group ayang he na a phachom mo he lo pi cho pi cho he ka ke hop ji wa ke ho sunga dinga income generation ha dinga pi ham ta zu swan ji wa atung cho na ta chu ka ke khol ji wa ke hop ji mi mala phachom pi yang ka tam tho
cái ho group ma cho ka phat chom na pe no choi saving ka bol to sum ho hung ki hol ho cho ha sa khat in itidam khat na anakila ana a par sen hi jong la kana ki pan pin to cho na ka ki ha sa khat cho som khat som ni chai jong la changa chai jong la na alung don na a ki la the cho phat chom nai ja ni mala jong bo cha wa ho cha te school kai na na munda nga sumol talawa lo hin min ni mi tumo mana